They haven't finished building the frame, like the cells, but she already put eggs in there because
they can keep building around them.
Yeah. On the sides you still have some open brood. This in the bottom, if you look at it, so see this white bugs over there? These are the larvae and these are the eggs for the bees, and the closed one is the
babies.
The babies, yes.
They'll chew their way through the wax and hatch.
Yep.
And you can see the nectar here, or the honey.
Yep.
And there's a bee with pollen covering its legs and its pollen baskets.
Right. And it's shaking her butt, which means she's asking for help. It's part of the bee dance. From the swarm tunnel. Okay, let's give them. Queen showing day. It's mostly the resources frame, so they're making. I can show this side. See that they have a bunch of the honey, and they also have a few more supersedure cells over here, but those are empty. And we didn't see queen here again today. Today is not. So it's the queen from this hive, which swarmed, and we had to take again a couple frames of brood from this hive to give to the nukes. So same picture on the side of the box. They have the resources, which are the honey and pollen. So see, there is a fresh nectar and more pollen, fresh pollen. So we will keep this frame out just to kind of have a little more space to work with, because we don't want to jump the bees. This is the frame of Also just the nectar mostly, and this is the pollen. And yeah, I'll show you also one more interesting thing. So this is a frame of brood, like what usually like a good working queen is doing. And in the middle of it, because queen usually starts laying brood in the middle of the frame, so we can see that this is where the brood already hatched out, and this brood is still going to be hatching out really soon. And queen started laying into the middle. See this whitish stuff in the bottom? This is where the larva is, and this is how they feed it with the royal jelly. In this area, yeah, but next frame apparently is going to be the brood frame. And we can see this is the frame of brood, how it's and also, if you can see over here, this is what's called supersedure cell. So supersedure cell is when the bees feel like their queen is not doing very good job, they create a cell and ask queen to put like a good egg into it, and they raise their new queen. And after this queen, new queen, virgin queen hatches out, so it goes on a flight, on a mating flight, becomes a new queen, and two queens could work in the same hive for some period of time. And that's apparently what is happening in this hive, because we can see that new queen has already hatched, and the old queen, maybe we will find her. So, and see, there is well, actually there is not that much brood in this area, but maybe there is some congregation of bees. Maybe the queen is there. Let me blow on them. No, there is. Yeah, well, oh, here she is. See, in the middle of the frame with a white dot, with a longer body.
Right there. Oh, you see her, right?